In this video, I will show you how to unhide a comment on Instagram. This can be helpful if you accidentally hide a comment that you wanted to keep, or if you want to see all the comments on your post. The steps below will work for both iPhone and Android phones. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon. Next, open the post where your comments are hidden. Now scroll to the bottom of the comments section and tap on See Hidden Comments. The hidden comment will appear. Now tap on Unhide to unhide it. You will get a confirmation box. Just confirm that you want to unhide the comment. And this will unhide comment on Instagram post. So that is how you can unhide a comment on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.